and then use it on you. So the good girl there, oh the good girl there, right there, so people right there. So people, as in the case, me have that talk soft, you know. As in the case, by the title people, oh no good girl, I gotta do a wicked prank on a dirty boy when him careful. So guys, why not dirty boy? I wanna start waste time on him phone, you know. And anytime a dirty boy waste time, I say alright then, when me I gonna start do a drop a prank on him. Right this, right this. Basically, when me I gonna do the prank here, guys, more go up on one, you look naughty. Now I'm try use my webcam, I know kids are watch. So I'm gonna look naughty set where you know when I'm supposed to go as kids. So I true. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go pan. You know when I say by the title, I go pan the back door part there, so yeah, back door part. And then I go watch it and then I go call Kepo in here and say, Kepo look here, and then I go pretend like say I'm excited and all of them something there. I try eat him up, but worse a long time no prank no drop on the channel there. People spam the comment section with Team Abby. I want some dirty boy when him Kepo. I want some nasty boy when him Kepo. I say me have to come back with a bad prank on this. Yeah guys, and if you're new, please do subscribe. Run go over to our main channel Abby and Kepo JA. Run go over to Abby's Madness and a good girl ass. I don't go over to Kepo's TV. Make sure to follow up on the gram right down here, sir. Right down here, sir, guys. Guys, I'm going to set up the camera now. I'm going to go up on the phone. And then I'm going to call him and show him so steady. So like him in the kitchen. And then I'm going to call him and show him so steady. Yeah, man, him in the kitchen. The fuck all over him belly. I say him in the kitchen. Him in the kitchen. So no further talking. Stay tuned. So guys, right, so you know, good girl a fritter, so I guess what I decide for do. I decide so I go flip the script and tell him say instead of me want him do it to me want do it to him using, you know, that look something there. You know, yeah, so I go flip the script for them. That's why I'm afraid to say, what you eat. Me afraid to backside people. So I just I tell him so I want to try something new pan him. I don't want him do nothing to me, I want to try it pan him. So people, just stay tuned and say, oh, good girl I dead. Phone. What's that? Shemo. My baby. Shemo. Mom, love you. Okay. Yeah, but when I watch, you're full bar. Fuck with things I watch. I'm there. I can't ever show you something.
What?
Can't ever show you something.
Oh, I'm gonna find it. So yeah, I'm doing.
Some more relationship, I'm feel like it.
What relationship?
Seven man.
You know
Feel like so when you first start. When you first spice up a relationship. Okay.
No, why man pour this out? I want to
Yeah, anything.
I don't want to see that a bit. I don't want to look on that.
Careful.
I don't want to look on that, I say. You don't look on that. Where you watch this for?
So what? May I mention something for guys?
What's the nasty thing watch me?
It's not nastiness.
I be fool say the man can hear na back here what go.
Yeah, so I'm not nasty about that.
What you mean?
We never start them something for spice up the
What you mean about don't nasty about that?
No, nasty about that.
What you mean don't nasty about that? What you mean
What
by that?
nasty about it?
Batty. Man a free batty.
So when
Man a fuck batty. Then a nasty to you?
So a woman.
Abi, the Bible say that illegal. What the freak you mean?
The Bible
Batty man.
Man.
It no matter what you say. Man a batty that a man a batty man a.
But I say woman battle.
It no matter if a man a
A
batty a
man
batty.
battle.
So a dog or goat that a batty. You know what I say? Me know whether try go mash mention for it. Me go do you got to me. You want that? Then we go grass for me some man boy. Don't be hey.
We need to
You need to.
when you first start spice up
Me don't know what you mean by
relationship,
that.
I'm feel like if we do them something then maybe the relationship would have more spice and vibes there.
If you do.
Because we're boring, we have regular things, we need to spice the relationship like everybody else.
Regular things? You never the regular things them good. But you want the Batman behavior, hey.
That is not Batman behavior. A woman and a man in a video.
If you don't know good for you, but behave yourself, you tell them. Just stop.
And first of all, I would do...
No, you have to correct now, you focus on my time.
I wouldn't even mean, I say we have to spice it up as in... Cause like how you do, stick down and do this side, whatever.
What?
So
What is that about? What is that about?
We can get one fake dildo and then use it on you.
What is that about?
Not blood clot.
No, but you want to finish fucking conversation now, what is that about?
Look at your from my shoe stand.
What you talk about dildo or go? I don't mean to talk about that. You gone dumb now?
Look at where you make silver eat. I'm not
Shall you come push up your jack and put something in today? Make it if I jack and all of it, you know, yeah? Don't come to me fuck you, you tell me? I can't come here tomorrow too, I'm serious about it, because I'm going to cross it. Yo, where you there? Move, go around this up.
Oh, I don't talk to my son.
Because like everyone knock her out. Go around this up. Just eat yourself, girl.
Yo, fix for my son. Can you tell me say me in a relationship? I can't mention some things.
Calm down your little self. What you
I
talking
can't
about?
mention some things there.
Mention anything to me, don't come down and batty man thing to me, you tell her? No man of your foot not get on them batty.
What do you mean? I want to do them. Watch.
And you come and talk about. And if you want, don't play me, no. No, deal now come. Me now get some deal upon you and nobody. You never go bother Simon, because you know me a madman already. Stop playing me. That's all me I got to tell you. Because I know where you come and chat to me. I don't know what fool you. Or where you watch. But now I take me for the night time, you know. You watch too much blues at night time, you know. You think I'll curb your mind, you know.
You know I'm not a fan of them things.
So where you coming from?
Come across it and I say.
I wish man in inbox for full bed.
When I really take it, I say, no, say.
Alright.
I say,
Don't chat to you, no, come on now. What you see and talk about, you know.
I say, no, say, like something have a buzz. And then I say, who even make you check? I'm not going to put no.
Abby, stop playing.
Back side is no.
Do not go down there for you.
I never
Then
move.
tap your eyes on me.
I never move. Prison, yeah, go prison. Say, I can't mention something to you. I'm in a relationship. I can't talk to you about something. I feel like someone is part of the relationship. I can't talk to you about something.
Abigail Mullins?
Stop calling.
Mullins?
Stop.
Give me a warning to grab my take away last name to you know. You know, normal thing yet. Alright. Me in a relationship for how long? All of a sudden, not a blues, they want to about them nastiness. Why?
It's not nastiness, Capo. Most people
It's
do not
ungodliness, it's nastiness, everything wrong about it.
And that is ungodliness in the Bible.
Abby, you never chatting, you're not chatting with you. Because you're my pressure right now. You can't be talking. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Anyway, you're not fuck with you, I'm telling you. Just stop.
So you tell me say I can't in a relationship and I can't mention something.
Abby, your head not good enough. Don't knock you
You
out.
tell me say I can't mention nothing in a relationship.
If you not talk about me and grind you, in your vagina, don't mention it.
But I don't know about you're not going to put it in my bottom. I say about the dildo part, but try someone new, you bend over and then just try it in there. Or you're going to know if you like it if you not try it.
You know me?
Or you're going to know if you like it. Or you're going to, what you believe I run? Believe I run? Believe I run?
Abby, your head don't good. We don't want to knock you. Abby, your head no good. We don't want to knock you out in Abby.
No, believe I run.
Abby, your head don't good. We don't want to knock you out in
Yeah, but
Abby.
leave it alone. Can you tell me something? I can't mention nothing. Me in a relationship, I can't mention something. Foolish. Foolish, because you can come to me and
I mention what?
you can't mention anything at the end of the day.
Me not mention, me not pass the line. You pass the line with that.
But I can't pass the line and I have a conversation. I'm having a conversation. And you're not taking me from who I am.
Alright, then I come down. Just to make sure you match my pressure for you. That's all I'm tell you.
What you do? What you believe I move? Believe I move, Capo.
Oh, you come
Believe
down.
I move.
Oh, you come down to my height.
Believe I move.
You're the Batman talking, Abby. You know I'm hurt.
Capo is not no Batman talking.
It's not for you?
If a man and woman that talk about it, it's not. Yeah! Pussy! Yeah! Pussy!
Me and laugh with it today.
Me not laugh.
No, you think I laugh with it?
Yeah,
No,
me not laugh.
Every time I attack you, I run up and down.
Me never laugh. Can you tell me something can't talk to you? No, you tell me something can't talk to me in a relationship.
When I son?
Me in a relationship.
Get down here, man. What wrong with you? You eat that? You know sense? Which Batman talking here when I was with? Then now we are going so. You ever tell her? Now we're not going so.
So I can't talk to you.
You still come talking? Oh, hey, but it's not good already. No, I have to make it up. You know, you have to make it you.
My aunt. So you tell me so I can't talk.
You say to girl, stop playing me, I tell her.
Yeah, but more, no.
Stop playing me.
More serious.
Be serious about.
I'm serious.
You don't talk now?
Yeah,
You don't talk now?
Because you tell me so
Me not gonna ever do none of them nastiness there.
Alright,
If
so
you want a man nasty, you go deal with one.
it's
Love me
not
alone.
nasty.
Love, Abby.
And stop playing the self-stick back.
Abby, don't hurt you here. Love me alone. Batman thing you come with them and then the Batman thing with the little girl.
I'm trying to do on my side.
But hey, go me on little girl.
So I tell me, I can't mention to you none time. So I suppose me to come and say, careful, I want to do this trading now. Nothing wrong with that, though.
Come on, take
Nothing
presents.
wrong with that, though.
Come on, take presents. Like, man, come on, hurt you now.
Size of this now, me that use.
Knock up.
Nobody want to laugh. It have to be done wrong. It can't be something that shot as this.
Don't play me, Abby.
I'm not even laugh.
You nasty, you want to pray, man. Nasty, you come on. Don't think on your nose. You see what man that one here. This ghost, yo.
There's nothing disgusting with a man and woman like this.
Abby.
And furthermore, I don't know about man. I don't know man alone. I would have just take it. And it would be right it would be right the long one there.
You let me no, leave me around with you.
Yeah, but I'm not come on, bad. I'm not even around.
Yeah, eat that type of food. I ask you a question.
Come here, so can you tell me so I can't have a conversation with you? I really look into it now. That's how I'm not around. So I really can't have a conversation with you.
I'm going to lick all the food in there. They will tell them I try to avoid it.
So I can't have a... So yeah, I'm going to...
Just, Abby, I don't want to disrespect you. Just calm down and take a move.
It's not going to be as long. Shots from us, okay? Shots from us,
No, I'm going to kill her right there.
Yeah, I'm taking that.
Abby, you might say, don't play me here. Use that money upon your ear.
Yeah, don't stop that. Seriously. Yeah, but where you come with the hammer for come do? Where you come with the hammer for come do? No, for that joke aside, where you come with the hammer for come do?
Bounty killer, you're
I don't understand what is that.
Nothing, nothing more. Them know. Yeah, video me? Them know me I talk about. Don't play me here.
We say the thing I got like your man, I'm going to the camera. We pay my nose, I come back.
I'm not alone. But you know, saying that come out about. Don't chat to you.
So I got. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm going to show the people them say. I'm going to show the people them I can't have a conversation with you without bringing up something that I'm interested in sexually.
What you talk so your batty man say? You're a batty boy na quiet. You need one to shoot over them and go make man fucking your batty because you can't come with him.
It's not me.
That not happen.
Cap, are you would I get it in there, Cap?
You really come to the door?
Nah, for sure. Are you would I get it in there?
You know, I'm not actually get this, you know.
So I...
Yo, don't play me. Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, Bill Cap, I prank you. Do something.
Yeah, but the cheap and I'm stop now.
Yes, we come back. Get shut up, Bill. You know, I saw me in this man.
You feel like it's funny?
You was
working on my father, don't you?
I'm taking the fast, and I get maybe me a ball with your prank.
Yeah?
Yeah, the worms here coming in.
Where are you going, man?
Cap, where you go?
Where you go? No, when you don't do the food, Batman, you don't come up on the stuff.
Yeah, but I want to make one thumbnail.
Abby,
Please, I want to make one thumbnail.
Abby, I've got screenshots of that. You're not going around there.
Come bend over, kid.
Yo, yeah.
But they're going to too fast. So I take them too fast. I just think.